Jesus Christ, it's so big. Anybody guess what this is? Anybody want to take a guess on what's in this box? Huh? Any guessers in the chat? Any guessers in the chat of what is in this box? I can only imagine, chat. I can only imagine what's in this box. It's another box. Yes. Owen, somebody gift this man a sub. It is another box inside of this box. Hold on, let me go get a knife. What would a chef be, right? What would a chef be without a chef knife, bro? Like, in order to open this, I feel like we need a chef knife, okay? So, let's open this bad boy real quick. Let's open this real quick. I feel like I need some like James Bond music or something, but I don't know what YouTube is gonna copyright. So we're not gonna play any music. We're gonna take this knife right here, open this bad boy up, real nice and pretty. Ooh, it already looks so good. It already looks so good. Any guessers in the chat? Bro, any guessers in the chat? Play like never before. Play like never before, chat. Like never before. You called it the PS5? Bro, so we ordered this on the GameStop drop. Shout out to Killer Cam on Killer Cam 1020. If you follow him on Twitch, he has a stream dedicated to finding drops for PlayStations and Xboxes. So I've been following him probably since last year. And we did the GameStop drop this weekend. Monday. We did the GameStop drop on Monday, and literally I was clicking, and I got the digital version. So this is the digital version, 825 gigabytes, because this was the only one I could get. And I didn't want to wait any longer. I wanted the disc version, and we'll probably get it later on this year. We'll sell this one and we'll get the disc version. But he has a tracker, and basically it tracks all the stores, all the drops. And when the GameStop drop came out, we got a tactical new alert, and that alert lets you know that there is a drop. We went into GameStop and they had bundles, and we just kept clicking refresh for like, I would say probably 15 minutes. We just refreshed for 15 minutes, and we finally got the digital version PS5. It comes with, we got our controller here. Our PS5 controller. We're probably gonna need to get another one, but no more Xbox controller having to get batteries, bro. That's like so much love. Killer Cam is selling PS5s besides his rap career. Yeah. So here we go, boys. Take this bad boy out the box. Comes extra padded. That's the good stuff in there right there. That's the good stuff. Toss this to the side. So we have the digital PS5, like never before, 825 gigs. I'm gonna take it out. Xbox controller batteries are the worst. Inside the box, you guys can see. Got this nice little cord, of course, manuals. It actually comes with another controller as well. So we'll just take this out real quick. So the drop actually gives you one extra controller, and then the box comes with a controller as well. This actually feels really good. Let me get my other PS5. Let me get my PS4 controller really quick. So the first thing that I'm actually noticing with this PS4 and PS5 controllers, this is my old one. Like this bad boy is it's been through it. I think we all kind of know how it goes with the controller games when you're hard on your controllers. But basically this one here is the PS4 And actually, the PS5 joystick has more, I would say, girth to it in the back. It feels actually a lot better in your hands. Your fingers feel a lot like you have just more grip on it. This bottom part here is a little bit longer than the PS4's, where the PS4 is kind of like, it feels like a stub. This one gives you way more grip on it. It just is a little bit longer. I don't know if you can see, but it is just a little bit longer. It almost feels like a spaceship, to be honest with you. But the back of it is also thicker. So this part back here is also thicker. I know that it probably doesn't make a big difference like mentally in your head, but when you're resting your fingers back here, it feels a lot better than them hanging off. So you see how they're kind of like hanging off here, but on this one, they're kind of like against the controller. That's my natural grip. If I'm playing like just like an RPG or something like that, if I'm playing a shooter, it's more like this here. But if I'm playing like an RPG, I'm probably down here like that. With the PS4 controller, you kind of have to like tuck your fingers underneath. So I think if you have like a scuff or something of that nature, this kind of design works a lot better with those scuff controllers. And it kind of reminds me of the Xbox, because the Xbox back is a little bit thicker too, right? And that's kind of why I think a lot of people enjoy the Xbox controller more, is because of the back, and you just have a naturally better grip. So all in all, with the new controller feels a lot better. I do like it ergonomically. It feels a lot better. The buttons look kind of cool. It looks like a spaceship. If I had to really classify this design, I would say they went for a spaceship, like legit. They watched Star Trek, Star Wars, and they said, you know what, we like that design. Everything's gonna be sleek. We're gonna have all these little cuts and rivets in the controller. I kind of like it because it gives you a lot of room for like customization, like being able to customize the white parts, the black parts, this little middle here. I kind of like where they're going with this. The trigger buttons feel a lot stiffer, and I kind of like the placement of them better than back here. I don't feel like my finger goes down as much, which is kind of nice. The buttons are, it's nice. I do like it. I would say major improvement on the controller. Major improvement on the controller versus the PS5. Holding it in my hand with the Xbox, I kind of feel like, I think the Xbox still has them beat, to be honest. Yeah, I think the Xbox, when it comes to sports games, I know PlayStation isn't really designed for sports games. When it comes to sports games, I don't think you can beat having your sticks here and here, right? I don't think you can beat them having here. This is probably the best placement for your sticks, because we don't use our D-pad as much on sports games. Like if you're throwing, pass leading, we don't use our D-pad as much. So having to bring my thumb over like this to play versus naturally like this, like doing like it just feels a little bit weird. So all in all, I probably still like the Xbox controller a little bit better, just based off of the placement of the sticks. Here it is, fellas. PS5 is upside down. This thing is really big. Jesus Christ, this is big. This thing is huge, bro. Like, this thing is bigger than, hold up, I have a 24-inch monitor right here. All right, so this thing is the size of my 24-inch monitor, like legit. It's huge. I wish I had something to compare it to. So this is, it doesn't even fit on my screen. It's so big, man. Look at this thing. This thing is a monster, bro. Chat, don't get too excited. I'm not trying to show you anything inappropriate. Look how big this thing is. So this is my torso. It's basically from my hip to my shoulder. Look at this. Look how big this is. It's huge. Man, this takes up a lot of space. My gosh, like, look at this. This is my hand, bro. I have an extra large. It's what's that? It's all like 4 of my hands. But I do like the design. I wish it wasn't this big. I do wish it was not this big. Laying flat is kind of like, no, it's not horrible. But vertically, it's pretty intimidating. I'm not gonna lie. It is pretty intimidating. I don't know where I'm gonna sit it just because of how big it is. Probably off or underneath my desk or something like that. But it's nice, bro. I like how I like how sleek it is. It looks like a tower. It does look like a tower, bro. It looks like a freaking spaceship. But that's the news. That's the news, chat. Our PS5 came in. We are going to be playing more games. We're gonna be playing more games, more sports games. Again, I think I told you guys I didn't want to do MLB, the show on PC, mainly because I didn't feel like a lot of people were gonna be playing on PC. There's already a lot of people that don't play Madden on PC. We're gonna be playing NBA Live on this thing. So if you guys have communities you want to invite me to, we're gonna be doing live. We're gonna be doing MLB. We're gonna be doing RPGs. We're gonna be doing a lot of different stuff. So yeah, be on the lookout for a night stream. Be on the lookout for a nice stream of us playing maybe NBA 2K or live or something on the PS4 for the first time.